Hello, this is Matthew Nigro from Sage Marketing Solutions. We are going to show you how to set up an SSL certificate inside Siteground. Now, if you just created a Siteground account, the SSL basically comes free, and even the HTTPS force, where it basically forces your website to use HTTPS. All those features are already built in, so you don't have to do anything or install any plugins on WordPress. So it makes this whole process super simple. You don't have to spend like $100, $100, $200 on an SSL certificate or whatever these people are charging these days. So let's get to it. So we're going to come down here. We are in the site tools. And if you don't know how to get there, you go to websites on your main dashboard in SiteGround, and then you hit Site Tools. Okay, so we hit Security button. Come over here to SSL Manager. All right, so after it's done, you should see this at the bottom, right? Certificate active. Okay, so our certificate is installed. Now the next thing we want to do is come back over here to the dashboard, or the left sidebar. Come over here and click HTTPS Enforce. This is going to make sure you're using this on every single page. And now you'll see you should see the lockbox at the top. So yep, it looks like this is certificate is installed. It's installed for what, 3 months? So there you go. It renews for you, so this is the only time you have to do it. You don't have to do it again. So it's just going to automatically renew them for you. So at this point, you have SSL certificate installed and you're done. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and follow us. Subscribe to our newsletter, and we'll see you on the next one.